palm trees, they sway. But each night and each day I'm California dreaming about you. Oh yeah, got this world-class view, but it's you that I think about every time when my mind's on it. And it's you that I think about every time when I feel alone. And it's you that I call on my FaceTime when I need something real. Oh yeah, I work the night shift till late in the PM. I'm California dreaming.
Okay guys, so we have finished the setup of the build, so now we're going to get into the water cooling stuff. As you can see, all the fittings and everything are already attached, so now we just got to do the bending, the filling, and then obviously the boot and load the OS and stuff. So obviously this is my first time doing a custom loop, so this is a bit exciting. I'm also a bit nervous on how this will turn out. Hopefully we won't end up wasting too much of the tubing. That's why we got the meter long ones, so we do have 4 meters of tubing, which hopefully will be plenty, and we definitely are going to make some mistakes, so hopefully there is enough there. So yeah, hopefully this all goes well and you guys enjoy it.
I've been feeling myself too much, feeling myself too much. Oh, I'm missing your touch, missing the way you say my name. If that I'm away, you know I stay, but I got these songs to cut, and it's still with an empty cup. I've been sipping this drink too much, but goddamn, I've been working hard as fuck, and what's work without playing LA? I'm California dreaming. You. One time I tell them I'm California dreaming. Dreaming. One time I tell them I'm California dreaming. Dreaming. California dreaming about you. California dreaming. Dreaming. California dreaming about you. California dreaming about you. California dreaming about you. California dreaming about you. California dreaming. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Falling, 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 Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
life. Got me for life. Yeah. I don't need a hand to hold, even when the night is cold. I got that fire in my soul. And as far as I can see, I just need privacy. Plus a whole lot of tree, fuck all this modesty. I just need space to do me, get away what they're trying to see. A Stella Maxwell right beside of me. A Ferrari, I'm buying 3. A closet of Saint Laurent, get what I want when I want, cause this hunger is driving me, yeah. I just need to be alone, I just need to be at home. Understand what I'm speaking on, if time is money, I need a loan. But regardless, I'll always keep keeping on. Fuck fake friends, we don't take L's, we just make M's. While y'all follow, we just make trends. I'm right back to work when that break ends.
Yep. 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, so the build is pretty much done. All we have to do now is remove the little plastic bits covering the glass, which there are 6 pieces, I'm pretty sure. So I'll get a close up of a couple of those, and the rest I'll just rip off as normal. I'm excited to obviously get those off and get that nice sound. Other than that, I think I'm gonna try and get you guys some nice shots of the computer and finish off with that. I might add something to the end and just, you know, have a bit of an outro and talk about the computer itself. But until then, hope you guys enjoy the rest of this part 2.
It's just me, myself, and I. Solo ride until I die. Cause I got me for life. Got me for life. Yeah. I don't need a hand to hold, even when the night is cold. I got that fire in my soul. I don't need anything to get me through the night, except the beat that's in my heart. Yeah, it's keeping me alive. I don't need anything to make me satisfied. Cause the music is good, and it gets me every time.
And with that guys, the build is complete. So as you can see, it's just behind me here. I've been using it for a couple weeks now. The system is insane. Now I know obviously the second series of Threadripper has just come out or is just about to come out. Obviously I've just built this thing, so I'm not going to be upgrading. Even though I can, it's just a CPU upgrade, nothing else. But I definitely don't need it. I've got enough power here how it is. There's a little bit of a boost performance with the new series, but it's nothing that's gonna, you know, dramatically change what I'm doing on this. This is by far an overkill computer anyway, so I'm happy with this. So also sorry for getting the video out a bit late after the first part went up. I've just had, you know, a lot of things in the way that I've had to get out of the way with school and everything. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions that you want to ask about the system, pop them down below. If you have any video ideas on the system or something, you know, based around the system, let me know in the comments and I'll definitely put it into consideration about making a video, whether it could be, you know, benchmarks for it, playing with the lighting on it, because the lighting on it is actually insane. As you guys know, my one plan for this build was just RGB, so it's really, really cool. Some of the questions I do get is, why do you want to always, you know, have it on rainbow? I just like to see, you know, all the different colors and stuff, but the other thing is it's RGB, so if I wanted to, I can put these colors to any color I want. So you would have seen just throughout that little montage that just finished up some of the colors. I had some color schemes in there, so if I'm, you know, getting bored of all these colors, I can set it to one color, whether that's red, blue, or 2 colors. There's basically nothing this thing can't do. So with that guys, I really hope you enjoyed the part 2, and obviously if you haven't watched part 1, go and check that out because that'll make more sense and show you a lead up into part 2. If you guys liked the build, make sure you guys chuck a like down below. It really helps. Amazing support on my part 1 in terms of likes. Really appreciate it guys, it means a lot. If you guys are new around the channel, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Phantom, that's alright. It's all white. That's how do you ride a